Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to build your very first automation inside of Zapier. I will connect Google Form to Gmail so that every time someone submit a response, they automatically receive a personalized thank you email. This is simple but powerful way to understand how Zapier works. I will walk you through everything step by step, setting the trigger, adding the action, testing the automation, and finally publishing it. If you have never used Zapier before, you will be able to follow along. So let's jump in and build your first Zap together. So I am on my Zapier account, and if you click on Zap, you will see this interface. Click on the create button and click on new Zap. Here you will see two things: trigger and action. Trigger when someone fill out the Google contact form. In our case, we will select the trigger and we will select the Google Forms from here, and you will see this kind of window. You can make it bigger. So I already connected my Gmail account with this. So my Google Forms are already connected. You can connect your own Google Forms from here, and then you will select the trigger. In the trigger, we will select new form response. Whenever someone fill out the form, we will get the instant response over here. So I will click on continue, and from here we will choose our Google Sheet form. So Google form. So in my case, my Google form is Zapier contact form, which I just created over here. So I will select that and click on continue. And now we can test a trigger. When you click on test a trigger, you will get a sample response like ID, response ID, last submitted time, created time, and response. So these are the dummy values which uh, Zapier provide us. So our response will look like this. We will we will submit the form over here. Let's copy the link and open this form in a new window. Copy link and paste that over here. And now let's try to fill out the form. In my case, I will fill out with my name, and I will fill out the email and address is this. Phone number, I will use any dummy phone number for testing purpose, and then this is for YouTube and Zapier tutorial. I will submit the form. Now my form is submitted. Now I go back to the Zapier and find new records. Click on that and it will find the new record. Now we have form response B, and now you can see I got the response, I get the comment and the address, and this means our trigger is working correctly. So I will continue with the selected record, and then I will go to the next step, which is action. Now we have received the response. Now what we want to do next? We would like to send email to the person who has submitted the form. So I will select Gmail, and in the Gmail I connect my account. So I select my account, which is my email address. You can add your own. And the action, what we would like to do, we would like to send an email. So we'll select the send email and then click on continue. Okay, to whom you would like to send this email. So we will select the person who is submitting the form. So we will select their email. So this response will go to the person who submitted the response. So let me close this and add over here again. So this one now. Next, we will choose from value and we can use my own. This email will go from my email address, and then we can add the subject. So contact form received, something like this, and then we will enter the name of the person who is submitting the form. So I will select the name. So in the subject, these line will go. The contact form received and the name of the person who is submitted the form. Now in the body, let me just copy and paste the template. So I will paste this template, and before that, let me change the subject. Thanks for contacting us and the name of the person. In the name, hi, we need to select this value dynamically, and we will click on this plus sign, and from here you will select the name. So it will enter hi, the name of the person who submitted that. Then similarly, we can add the email, and we will select this email from here and address, and we go back over here and choose the address, and similarly phone number. I go back here and select the phone number, and finally we will add the comment over here. Give this space and we will use this comment. Now every time someone fill out the form, they will receive an email something like this, and then we will continue. And this is the preview of our email. So let's test this step, and if you click on test step, you will notice I have received a new email. I can go to the email and reload the page, and then you see thanks for contacting us, Fayaz Ahmed, and if I click, I receive this information. So now go back to the Zapier and click on the publish. Now our Zap is published. Now whenever someone fill out this form, they will receive the response from the Gmail, and they will get the email like something like this. So that's it. It's very simple and very easy. You can do whatever you would like. This Zap is published, and if you go to these apps, and you will see this app is published. Right now it's published. So you can change the name as well. Simply rename, and you can say it, send email, whatever you would like to name it, and you can save that. I hope this will make sense for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.